This Remax Realtec Group property video is presented by Luigi Collage. Exquisite gated community. Stunning home is situated on beautiful large lot backing to a pond. Many recent updates and open floor plan will please any buyer. Elegant living room is open to formal dining. Beautiful updated kitchen with wood cabinetry, breakfast bar, large pantry, stainless steel appliances and granite countertops open to breakfast nook and a huge family room with fireplace. 4 newer sliding glass doors leading to a large covered brick pavered lanai with hurricane shutters and a newly remodeled pool with a new pool heater and newly added salt water system overlooking a beautiful tranquil pond. Dream master suite with large walk-in closet and an updated bath. Huge bonus, billiards room overlooking the pond can be used as media room, theater, exercise, playroom or can easily be converted into a guest, in-law suite. Additional 3 good-sized bedrooms and additional 2 beautiful updated baths. Have both new in 2019 and 2018. Exterior and interior just painted in 2020. Solar attic fan and solar roof panels for water heater. New crown molding, new ceiling fans and light fixtures, new carpeting. President's Landing has a private lakefront park with dock. Lansbrook community offers a waterfront park, 2 playgrounds, walking, jogging and bike trails. A-rated schools. Close to Lansbrook Golf Course and YMCA. 10-15 min to Tarpon Springs Sponge Docks and Howard Park Beach. 15-20 minutes to Honeymoon Beach / Caladesi Island. For more information, review the details.